Say, young nigga, I got old cash, spazzing on their hand. I got product on my whole ass. Got my lab with me, papa niggas. Like a damn tag, shopping on there. Yeah, I just bought a new old. Okay, see if I can get stopped. I would prefer. Okay, I would prefer for that candle close like that. I want price to flip bullish now, like right now. Give me a good close. 4 point stop. Hold on. 71. Who is this? NQ. See if we even get this entry because I don't know. The markets is red right now, so I don't really want lower stop than this. It's like halfway through open range. We come straight back up. I think about it, but okay. That has to be the bottom weight. We make any steeper of a bottom weight. and then start to come back up. I won't even think about it. Nasdaq is just out of there. It just came straight down. Okay, this can this candle can't be too big though. I need this candle to close inside our zone. Pass to me. I know what to do with it. I don't know. Shoot, you ain't running up a bag. I missed it. Missed it. Yes, we had to come straight up right there. If I can get. All right, let me get a breakout. This candle close. Okay, let me get a breakout. Come on. I don't believe we're gonna go lower though. I mean, we could, but I don't. We've been coming down for the better part of all night. Say Friday. Yeah. Let's see. We got 77-point stops. Volatility coming in. It's perfect. Volatility coming in real nice here. If I can get a close, I will be in buys. How big is this candle? Oh shit. Okay, that's doable. All right, we didn't close. We can get it on this candle, but this candle can't like this candle can't do too much. If it see, I give it like right here for max. If we get a big enough candle, I give it like right here. That's the furthest I will go. Let's see though. But if we get a pullback and then we get more structure and then we get the close, obviously. I'm not gonna change my stops, uh, unless it's like a straight up just two candle pullback. But this candle's already so deep down here that the next candle, if it were to close bearish, it'll close back down here. So my stops would still be the same. Dow Jones is out of there though. They're going. Came with some merch. I go get free shit from because I'm fucking the clerk. I can get you whacked for a little cash or a couple of perks. If it ain't further and won't shoot it. We got a crazy ass double bottom with an EMA close. They're in drawdown right now if they took that on the 5 minute. Finally close under this structure. Could get down here. This could be just the top weight. What it's looking like. All right, I'm not taking no buys off of this structure. Came down, came lower. It's too far down through the zone for me now. We know for Killers first. Mm, it almost gave us entry, bro. Like, if this would have closed like right here, I would have been like, hell yeah. I would have burst for my third day. I don't think I want to get entries on Dow Jones, but what's wrong with this dude? I'm in a Discord. Y'all can't hear him. Uh, It's Friday, so I'm gonna be out of here by 10. I usually give it to 10:30, but I'll be out of here by 10. Might be out of here earlier than that though if I don't get entries. I need a pullback right now on Nas for any entries. Yeah, I need a pullback. Got right to the. You see the reaction though. It gets right to the top of that 5 minute opening range, and just clearly didn't want to move higher. So it's the first close outside. So now if I do get positions, I need a pullback, and then I'm probably gonna need either just a beautiful candle filling in most of this wick, or at least like it depends on where the candle's coming from. So if we can get a pullback, then get another push down under this pivot as well, we'll be coming back under the pivot. That'd be perfect, but I don't know. We could sit in some funky consolidation for real, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. We could just sit here for the rest of the day. We have news. No more news. We already had news. Okay. Now I don't need for this candle. I would prefer for this to close bullish, but at the same time, I don't need it to close too bullish. Like right here would be nah. Well, if it comes down from here, yeah, I'll do stops there. Gonna pull on real quick. Price gotta start coming. We can't move higher though. Okay, we gotta start coming down now. We have to start coming down. Okay, it's not happening. Yeah, not happening. All right, this is the last. Might be the last time I play around with the young folk for the day. All right, I need a pullback again. Like every time we switch sides, it's like you gotta kind of delete all previous price action within the 5 minute range and act like the range just got created. So you act like this range just got created from here, right? This doesn't matter anymore. You're still in the five. This the 5 minute. The 5 minute just closed. Just closed. Mm-mm-mm. I don't think we're gonna see nothing on. Like, I really don't. It's looking like an ugly day, man. Like if we can, this candle can kind of come up, close, give me another bearish candle, and then pull up. Think about buys, but we're only 17 minutes into the session. Let's just be patient. I'm gonna tempted to just go full screen on that Nas because this shit is just not happening on not happening on Al Jones, bro. This probably flies. I'm not gonna lie. Stops under here would be good, but I'm not taking that. It's just not. It's not a part of me. Not part of my plan right now. This probably flies. Let's see. I'm not taking it. Cause this works all the time. Boom, boom. That close outside the zone was fantastic. I wish I had a setup with that type of close coming out. Let's see. Hypothetically speaking, does this win? Like LeBron, I like it. I don't need no white. I don't need like. I don't need no white hoe. And that boy coulda, shoulda. Go down with that. Oh, it's coming down. Popping in that fast for me. Popping in that. I'm a boss man. Man, you can't. I would prefer for it to come down, straight down, and give me a better entry. So like a closure here, another closure, validating this stop, and then the actual entry. Like this could still survive. I just I would prefer a different entry. Oh, that might be it. Tap that opening range and fucking shot back up. Yeah, that might be it. If that's not it. It's gonna be it just based off the simple fact that um we're making structure. I need to come straight down. Like, if it wants to just make this wacky ass waking come straight down, I'm cool with that too. See now, see now you're doing too much. It's annoying. Still get entries. That's really just need for that candle. That's I'm getting entries on the close. That's why I don't take that. It's not good enough for me. And I'll be sitting here and draw down for no reason. Trying to figure out why I'm in drawdown. No, not trying to figure out. Knowing why I'm in drawdown. Because I just took a trade that was ass, essentially. Okay, I'll take another candle. We don't need another candle though. I do need another candle because it's the one candle closed, right? Price came back in the zone. And if it closes right back outside, I can't take that. But if it comes down and then wants to give us entries, that's perfect. I just don't need it really going lower than this. Is That's it. Like that's it. Hey man, positive. What does this mean? Okay, that's actually. Oh my god, that's perfect. With the wick and the body. Oh, that's perfect. I need. It could come down some more. It could definitely come down a little bit more, but like I said, it can't really come back down past these. I want to keep these stocks. I'm gonna keep these stocks, especially how this candle's coming up in this week. Yeah, I want to keep this stock. Baby, can you help me? I'm trying to get my life together. Okay, it's clearly fighting back at this area. Just give us an entry. Do you love me? Do you trust me? Hey, got you on the phone. How can I? I'm gonna get that kid back easily if I get like trust. Up on bubbly. So you can fuck with me. Well, I would have tapped them out. If it was versus right here, I will still be looking for positions. But if we go lower, I won't. That'll be a pull on liquidity for an entry that one should not have been in off of this candle. If it comes back up and then gives us a solid entry, I will be in there. That is definitely a pull on liquidity. And that is definitely not what's going on. So not gonna lie, I'm not taking. Yo, bro, this nigga, this Discord gotta chill out. Of course. All right, hold on. The stops still aren't bad. I want to go half risk. I was gonna go full risk, but yeah, no, I'm straight. I'm cool off of that. Hopefully, I get a runner. Nasdaq sitting at about 70 points. The structure holds and then gives me a close. I get in. Like we rejecting though. It is Friday. I would not be surprised if I don't get shit. So dropping my risk by half off rip due to how price action is behaving. I'm not even fucking with them. But to be honest with you, I would prefer shorts. I just like I just like the longs. 'Cause we've been moving down and we tapped into this support down here on the hourly, so hopefully we start to come back up, retest these areas. Okay, let's see. I don't want. I'm not taking it if it just shoots up right now. I will not take that. But if this next candle wants to do it, I will. I ain't taking no last 10 second of the candle. Oh, I want to be volatile and no, I'm not. I'm not fucking with that. I need a decent candle. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not just taking any candle close. Due to previous structure, previous volatility. Like I would need some definitive. Oh yeah, I'm out. And I do not think that's gonna happen. I just don't. Just based off of how prices acting right now. Look at that. Okay, it has to push up here. This is it. Like we're getting volatility. We can't push up too much though. I will literally at max probably go here. Yeah, that's the farthest I'll go. If it goes higher than that, I'm not taking it. We got 30 seconds. How did I get all the way up there? What? No long wicks. I need for this to come back up some. Nah, I don't like that wick. Straight. Not only did we get a wick, but like we didn't even close above this, like I said. So this might very well win and all that goodness, but I will be just sitting and watching. There you go. Hop out like we Uber Eats hello, here go your pizza. There it is. Yeah. So position definitely this was definitely the position I believe for the day. I am not going to be taking anything that fucking shut this wick, bro. I needed this to clear, bro. Like I needed this to clear these areas. I needed this shit to clear. wick is almost the same size as the body of the candle. If this wick would have been like that big, candle closed here, I was like, all right, bet we would have been closing above this. All good, but shit just not okay for me. It probably runs here. I'm not gonna lie. We done hit the bottom of this range. Finally broke out. Yeah, that's probably it, bro. Definitely can't take no buys. Only taking shorts on Nasdaq now. Too much structure up here. And if we do get a close, I need a close. Uh, I need some crazy shit. Maybe above these wicks. And at that point, the candle would be 70 points down there. And tell you what, the zone is not nothing but 90, 100 points. Way too big. Damn, man, the volatility was there and everything, bro. Like that was the trade. That is my trade. I just I need Price to show his hand better than that, bro. Like it's closing, even though this has no top wick on it. I needed it to close above for sound of mine, even though the trade hit TP in about 3 minutes. I needed for this to close above, bro. Like not pissed. I'm not that mad because I wouldn't have got a runner or nothing like that. Price would have came back, tapped me out anyway. Right after it hit TP, it hit TP, came back down, would have tapped me out at entry. And it came all the way back down here. But EMA starting to cross. I'm so mad, bro. We just couldn't get a close clearing this wick, bro. That's all I needed, and I would have been in there. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Um, it's gonna be another no trade day, I believe. I'm gonna set alerts on Nasdaq for the bottom side. Technically, I still got an hour to be here, but I mean, just looking at price, I don't think I'm gonna get anything. This is a no trade day. We took no wins, no losses. Uh, I mean, I don't know. Al Jones could fly, and we tapped into some support down here. We could come right back up. I'm gonna stay for another 20 minutes on Dow Jones. See how much volatility we get pushing back up because it's moving good now. And why we had to close completely. Like, are we gonna be stuck in the range? We're gonna be stuck in the range, right? So just do that right here. Just make us have us stuck in this range. All right. So that means push back up now. And it's like we get down here, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Oh, here, push up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me get that 1 minute. Like it's coming back. That's it. It's crazy. coming right back up. Damn, I gotta tell bro about the other part. I take both sides of the trade, so if I were to take a short win, no more shorts for the day. But if price comes back up and gives me the same opportunity on the buy side, I am taking a buy as well. I'm clearly not gonna get no shorts today on Dow. We could very well get longs. Very well get longs. Nothing's in the way. We get a good close, pivot. Will be a nice target as well. That should be somewhere near the top of that range. Maybe. Where is this range at? No, the top of the range is all the way up here. Oh shit! Those shorts I took yesterday. Damn, we moved. Yeah, we moved a nice ways down. Yeah. Come get all that. Hypothetically, I'm still in these shorts. Y'all can't let me make too much money. Make make positions on the way up and go get that for me. That's it. That's all I need. We'll be straight. Get up there. I really don't got time for this to keep fighting back. I'm gonna go grab a mic today because I need a mic. So tired of trapping off this damn headset. I don't even know why I don't got my mic. What app you use to copy trade? Free fine. What alerts am I getting? How the Alright. Come on, give me. We have to push back up though quite a ways. Like push all the way back up through the zone. Definitely got the volume. Got to the bottom of that range and just completely reversed. I gotta show that nigga. I show him how last week looked. But yeah, we're definitely in a nasty ass range, especially on the 4 hour. Shit. It's just fucking crazy. Sitting in this bitch all year, huh? Like every time it gets here, it's gonna come back. I got alert set on here. Let me close up Nas. Nas the reverse. I'm only looking at Dow. Shit is not happening, bro. Ain't happening. No, give get back up there. Don't even gotta do all that, man. I'm ready to make all this structure. Yeah. This is when I say I'm not gonna waste my time by sitting here. Let me go ahead and set my stop. I mean, set my stop. Set alerts. I'm gonna set an alert here. I already got an alert set on. Why? Price comes back up here, I will come back and start looking. Probably go live again, but or if price pushes up within the next 2 or 3 minutes, back into the zone, I'll stay. But if we keep coming down like this, I'm not. There's no point. Where is definitely going to go grab a mic. So we got 35 no trade days. For now, I'm gonna say it's a no trade day. Tree continues. We did roughly 4K this week. Probably a little bit more. Probably a little bit more. Yeah, price come back down. So, all right, man, that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna call it. I didn't get any entries today. Nasdaq kind of just played around. Um, I needed this candle, but I needed to pull another candle to support this. Sure. Then I needed for this candle to close above structure. At least this candle. If had this come, like I might have to reevaluate that because it's almost as if this candle don't even exist, like, in a sense. So you can kind of say it did come straight down. You take this fucking blue candle out. It's not like it made two green candles. Like had this been two green candles, you got something different. But I'm gonna have to think about that going forward because well, that wasn't even the reason though. It was that plus the wick, right, on the candle. Yeah, had this come straight down. Actually, yeah, let this had come straight down and not giving us this week. Or even with this week, I would have got in. But the fact that it didn't come straight down, which I'm starting to reevaluate. Like, did it or did it not? It's almost like this candle don't exist, like I said. So come down, come back up, give us the close. Should have got, could have gotten in right here had this just closed normally and without all this. But now you had this plus this week. I was like, hell no. Nah. Had it just been one or the other, I would have entered at low risk. But we have both in the way, so that's just not it. That's not it. All right, I'm out this bitch. I go back to sleep. Too fledged jet out. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Be back Monday. Same old thing, man.